Well, how's it going?
Good. Sewing the skirt part of my dress.
Ooh.
Something in my eye.
Better?
Something in my other eye. Okay. And we're gonna go a little bit more because we're making little pockets for this stuff that we're gonna use as boning.
So these are balloon straws that we found in the party store dumpster. And Olivia found them over in the party section in the office. And she's like, those will work in my sewing project.
My skirt is gonna be kind of like an umbrella. And then we're also gonna have the tulle inside of it.
Nice and floofy. You just never know what you can make with dumpster salvage treasures, including a poofy, floopy skirt. Poofy. Okay.
Extra poofy. Like poofy.
We will show you all when it's done. When will it be done?
Hopefully, I can at least get the skirt done by today.
Okay, good luck. We'll be back.